Hello, and welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up OAuth SSO between your DNN site and Okta. The first step is to download and install the DNN OAuth SSO Authentication Provider from the DNN store. After the download is complete, go to your DNN site and upload the zip file that you downloaded from the DNN store. Now, under the Installed Extensions tab, select Authentication Systems from the drop-down menu. Click on the pencil icon and go to the Site Settings tab. Here, you will see the DNN OAuth SSO Authentication Provider dashboard. The second step you have to do is to configure Okta as identity provider. Now, go to the Okta Developer Console. In Okta Developer Site, navigate to Applications tab and select Applications. Click on the Create App Integration button to create a new app and then click on the OIDC, OpenID Connect. Then, select Web Application in the Application Type section. And click Next. In the General Settings tab, enter app name. And also enter the sign and redirect URLs. To get the redirect URL, go to your DNN OAuth client plugin. Click on Add New Provider. Then, select Okta from the IDP lists. Here, in the OAuth provider settings, you will get the redirect URL. After entering the redirect URL, scroll down and you will see the assignment section. Choose a controlled access option. And uncheck the Enable Immediate Access with Federation Broker Mode option. And click on Save button. Now you will get the client credential, that is, client ID and client secret. You will also get the Okta domain by clicking on the top right-hand side of the dashboard. Copy these credentials as you will need them to configure the Mini Orange DNN OAuth client plugin. After creating and configuring the app, go to the Assignment tab in Okta. Here we select the peoples and groups you want to give access to log in through this app. Assign this to the people or group you would like to give access to. Now, navigate to the Security tab, and click on API. Click on the edit icon of your SSO application. Go to the Claims tab and select ID option. Click on Add Claim button. Give a name to your claim. And select ID token from the token type dropdown. Now, enter the value user.$ attribute in the value field based on the attribute you want to receive. Keep other settings as default. And click on Create button. The third step is to configure DNN OAuth Authentication Provider as client. So, go to the DNN OAuth Authentication Provider. Now, in the OAuth Provider settings, update the Okta domain, and enter the client ID and client secret that you have got from your Okta IDP. And save the settings. After configuring your service provider, from the Select Actions drop-down, click on the Test Configuration to verify if you have configured the plugin correctly. It will ask you to sign in to your Okta account. On successful configuration, you will get the attributes and its attribute values in the test configuration window. The next step here would be to map only the required profile attributes from the Okta OAuth response to your DNN profile. Navigate to the Attribute or Role Mapping tab. Here you can map the attributes you have received from Okta. Now let's jump on how to initiate the SSO login. From the Identity Provider setting, click on the Select Action drop-down, copy the SSO link of your IDP. You can use this link in your application and make a button or page. In our case, we have created a button out of this link. Let's now check on how the actual end user experience would look like. Users will start by clicking the Login button, navigate to the SSO tab, and then click the SSO Login button. Next, the user enters their Okta credentials. Once authentication is successful, the system redirects to the DNN application, where the user is automatically logged in through Single Sign-On. By following these steps, you will successfully set up OAuth Single Sign-On for your DNN site using Okta as identity provider. This ensures an additional layer of security for your application. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at dnnsupport@securify.com.